What's up, guys? Welcome to John's Daily Hustle. So today we're going to be doing some aeration and dethatching. So I'm just getting everything loaded up. I had to take the chute blocker off the mower because we're going to actually run the cyclone rake to suck up the thatch after we dethatch it. Change of plans. The cyclone rake does not fit on my trailer with my zero turn, and it doesn't work with this one. So I took the Accelerator grass catcher, and it's out there. Pretty full. Taking a dump. That easy. Alright, so you guys got to see me in action doing some aeration and dethatching and overseeding. So I hope you guys really enjoyed the slow-mo videos. I know I do. At least I think they were pretty cool anyways. We had those scheduled for a whole day, so we only recorded the one place there, and that one was a really good one to record anyways. But we'll have more next week and the next upcoming days, so we'll record more and get more footage for you guys. So be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.